In this video, I'll walk you through how to add loyalty cards to your Apple Wallet. It's a straightforward process that can help keep your digital cards organized and easily accessible at checkout. If you find this guide useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. The main benefit is convenience. You won't need to open multiple apps while shopping. Everything can stay in your Apple Wallet, and this works on any iPhone. I'll be demonstrating on an iPhone 11, but the steps are similar on most models. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallet. Select Add Card. Here you'll see options to add cards like travel, debit, or credit cards. You may also notice a section labeled Cards Found for You. Important note, most loyalty cards cannot be added directly through the wallet interface. Instead, you'll need to open the specific app for your loyalty program, for example, a store or brands app. Inside that app, look for an option like Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Apple Pay. If that option is present, just follow the prompts in the app to link the card. Once completed, it will appear in your Apple Wallet. If you don't see an Add to Apple Wallet option in the Loyalty app, that program may not yet support Apple Wallet integration. That's all there is to it. Once added, your loyalty cards will be available for quick access right from your wallet.